Hi, welcome to Anova. I'm CEO Matt Toon, and today we're talking about 3 of our core fundamental beliefs that are driving the future of our organization. Number 1, we're putting the customer first at every conversation. 2, we're operating at our best, not just internally to Anova, but also externally for our customers. And 3, innovation is foundational. We're listening to our customers, we're gaining insights, and that's what's driving us forward into the future. You're going to hear from my team today about the great things that Anova's doing around innovation.
Anova's been around for 27 years, and in that time, most of our success has come from the experience of our existing customers and our employees. Anova's 6 companies coming together for one purpose, and that's to help companies with inventory levels. You know, in 27 years, we've seen an evolution, and many years ago, customers bought tank monitors to enable just-in-time deliveries and to prevent runouts. Today, companies use tank monitors to provide route optimization and to utilize that data to make key decisions real time. So when you work with Anova, it's a true partnership. We learn from you, you learn from us, and together we're better.
With Anova's advanced analytics running on our Unify platform, customers are able to identify tanks which offer the best ROI on invested monitor equipment, assessing the savable deliveries to any one tank, and curate targeted deployment plans, allowing for efficient and scalable monitor deployment over the course of a year.
So today we're demonstrating our Anova UTM, or Universal Tank Monitor. This is the first show we're actually demonstrating our new Universal SIM. It has the capability of connecting to 5 different networks, all the major networks in North America, and actually it can connect or attempt to connect to each one of those on every single call. We don't have to choose between each one. Our UTM is modular in design, so we can actually use both port A and port B to connect to 2 different sensing devices. You could be using our proprietary 645 sender cable that replaces any small dial, whether it be junior, senior, Taylor, Rochester, or if you have a Rochester dial, we would connect the Rochester remote ready sensor of your choice into the port on the back of the UTM. It's gasketed and waterproof. Reattach magnetic sensor, stick it to the tank to activate. We hold the activation tool next to the LEDs for 5 seconds. We see the green light that tells us to remove the tool. Now we're just waiting for the red light to quit. As soon as we get the green light, it's connected. It's sending tank level data back to our proprietary Unify software, and we're good to go. You don't have to go to that site for another 20 years. Got the green light, we're good to go.